Are you frustrated watching your vibrant lower thirds turn grayscale when imported into DaVinci Resolve? In this tutorial, I'll reveal the step-by-step process to export your transparent lower thirds or any creative work without any unwanted conversion or color loss when importing them into DaVinci Resolve. Welcome back. If you have lower thirds or any creative work in DaVinci Resolve and want to export it as a transparent video by going to the Deliver tab, next, choose MP4 from the Format dropdown, then select H.265 from the codec options, and enable the Export Alpha option. Choose your video resolution, and click Add to Render Queue. Same with the QuickTime format. Select QuickTime from the Format dropdown, choose H.265 from the codec options, enable the Export Alpha option, and click Add to Render Queue. Next, select both items in the render queue, then click Render All. Once the export is finished, switch back to the Edit tab, and then navigate to the folder where the lower third is located. First, if we preview the initial item, it appears to have the correct color, and then drag and drop it into the software. Then, select the second item, preview it to ensure it has the correct color, and drag and drop it into the software. When we switch back to the software, we will find that the MP4 format becomes grayscale, and the same goes for the MOV format. To export this lower third or any creative work as transparent without unwanted conversion, such as color loss, simply follow these steps. First, select the composition or item that you want to export. Right-click, then select Render in Place. This pop-up will appear. Next, from the Format drop-down, choose QuickTime. Then select Apple ProRes from the codec options. Next, in the Type drop-down, choose Apple ProRes 4444 or Apple ProRes 4444 XQ. Then enter your video name here. Finally, click Render. This pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose where to export the file. Choose your preferred folder and then click Open. It will begin exporting. While waiting for the export, please hit the subscribe or follow button for more tips and tricks on DaVinci Resolve. Once the export is finished, you can see the Fusion composition converted to MOV format here. Then, switch back to the folder where the lower third is located. When we preview the video again, it appears to have the correct color. Then, we can drag and drop it into DaVinci Resolve. When we switch back to DaVinci Resolve, we can see that the video now displays the correct color after being re-imported. If you have multiple items on your timeline, simply select them all. Right-click, choose New Compound Clip, and click Create to combine everything. Then select the compound clip. Right-click again and choose Render in Place, and follow the same steps as before. And there is another way to do this too. Follow similar steps as we did at the start of the video by going to the Deliver tab. Keep the format as QuickTime, then change the codec options to Apple ProRes. Next, in the Type dropdown, choose Apple ProRes 4444 or Apple ProRes 4444 XQ, and enable the Export Alpha option. Then, enter your video name. Finally, click Add to Render Queue. Next, in the Render Queue, click Render to start the export process. Once the export is finished, switch back to the Edit tab and navigate to the folder where the lower third is located. First, preview the lower third to ensure it has the correct color, and then drag and drop it into the timeline. When we switch back to DaVinci Resolve, we can see that the video now displays the correct color after being re-imported, similar to the Fusion composition. Up to this point, I have finished this tutorial. You've learned how to export your lower third or any creative work with transparency, without unwanted conversion or color loss in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe or follow for more tips and tricks on DaVinci Resolve. I'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing!